Hey gearheads and grease monkeys! Ever wonder what the single most important thing is? To keep your car purring like a kitten? Nope, it's not the fancy rims or the booming sound system. It's actually the humble oil change. Today, we're diving deep into the art of the oil change and why it's the unsung hero of car maintenance. So, why is changing your oil so darn important? Think of your engine like a finely tuned orchestra. Each part, from the pistons to the crankshaft, needs to work in perfect harmony. Now, imagine trying to conduct that orchestra with a bunch of sand in the gears. Disaster, right? That's where the oil comes in. Oil acts like a super slick bodyguard for your engine. It lubricates all the moving parts, reducing friction and preventing them from grinding against each other like a bad breakup. This keeps your engine running smoothly and prevents premature wear and tear. It's like giving your car a spa day every few thousand miles. But wait, there's more. Oil also acts as a cleaning agent. As your engine runs, it produces all sorts of nasty byproducts like soot, dirt, and metal shavings. Oil grabs these contaminants and whisks them away to the oil filter, which traps them like a tiny, yet mighty, bouncer. Without fresh oil and a clean filter, these gunk buildups can wreak havoc, causing everything from sluggish performance to major engine damage. Yikes! Now, let's talk about when you should change your oil. The old rule of thumb was every 3,000 miles. However, thanks to modern engine technology and better oil formulations, many cars can go much further. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval, which might be anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or even more. Don't just guess, though. Following the manufacturer's guidelines will help ensure your engine's longevity. Choosing the right oil is also essential. Not all oils are created equal. There are different types, like conventional, synthetic blend, and full synthetic. Full synthetic oils generally offer superior protection and performance, especially in extreme temperatures. Your owner's manual will specify the correct type and viscosity, the thickness of oil for your car. Using the wrong oil can be like feeding your dog a cat's diet, not good. So, how do you actually change the oil? Well, you can either do it yourself or take it to a professional. Doing it yourself can save you some money and give you a satisfying sense of accomplishment. However, it does require some basic tools and knowledge. If you're not comfortable with getting your hands dirty, or if you're not sure about the process, taking it to a trusted mechanic is a great idea. They have the expertise and the proper disposal methods for the old oil. Remember, disposing of used oil properly is crucial for protecting the environment. In conclusion, the oil change may seem like a simple task, but it's absolutely critical for keeping your car running smoothly and extending its lifespan. By understanding the importance of regular oil changes, choosing the right oil, and following the recommended maintenance schedule, you can help ensure that your car stays happy and healthy for years to come. So, next time you hear that oil change reminder, don't put it off. Your engine will thank you, and so will your wallet in the long run. Now go out there and keep those engines humming.